Well,
Now,
let me finish the point, Andrew.
I'm sorry, we're in the slightly strange position of me wanting to ask you about independence, because I had Boris Johnson on the show a little while ago, and you may have noticed he thought there should be a 40-year gap between the last independence referendum and any future one. What's your response?
Well, it's Robert Burns' birthday tomorrow, our annual Burns Day. And when I hear Boris Johnson talk about this, I kind of bring to mind a Burns poem, Cowran Timorous Beastie, what a panic's in thy breastie. He's frightened of democracy. The polls now show that a majority of people in Scotland want independence. If the SNP win the Scottish election in a few months' time on a proposition of giving the people that choice, then what Democrat could
Sure.
rightly stand in the way of that? So Boris Johnson clearly just fears the verdict and the will of the Scottish people.
You say in a few months' time, therefore you're not going to delay these elections because of the coronavirus pandemic.
I see no reason why the election should be delayed, but rightly and properly in a democracy, it shouldn't simply be a decision for government. Okay. That would be a cross-party decision. We have legislation that had recently passed to put contingency arrangements in place. We might have to do the election differently, more postal voting, for example, but I see no reason why it shouldn't go ahead at this stage. Many countries have had elections over the course of the pandemic.